What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video. And today's video is a little different setup, as you can see, because we are doing a nail haul video. So if you want to see the items that I picked up, just stay tuned.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square.
Welcome back, you guys. I'm super excited because I have a new filming setup for my nail videos because I really do like doing them, and nails are fun. Excuse my nails right now because I did not do them yet, but I will be. I wanted to go through these items that I picked up from various different places before I decided on what I wanted to do for my nails this week. So without further ado, let's go on and get started. So I do have this big old bag from Target filled with a whole bunch of stuff that I got sent to me and that I picked up from various stores around me. So we're going to get started. And I'm going to start with this little package right here. And I'm not sure who this is from, but I do know it's international. It did come from Great Britain. So it did come from, it's international from Europe. But I'm not sure. Just says nail art glitter. I'm not sure who this is from. So I'm going to go on and open this up and we're going to see who it's from. Because I'm pretty sure they should have everything in the bag. Alright, so I took it out the bag and here it is right here. And ooh, this bag is super pretty. Love it. And ooh, yes, I got some nice cute stuff. And it's from Nail Sugar. I knew I would know the name of it once I seen it come out. I got some really pretty glitters. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous. This is Indian Summer. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with these. Oh, and Night Fever. This will be really cute for some holiday nails. Then I got this hollow. It's like a champagne color. And I really do like it. It has all these different shapes in there. Ooh. And you know, your girl had to pick up something with some purple. Because I love the shade purple. And this is Starlit. Super, super cute. And I got some thick, chunky glitters. And this came in a set. I can't remember which set name I got, but I will have that link down below. And it came with different colors of these circle glitters. So this one has like blue, green, and silver. And the blue kind of has like a purple hollow to it. And then this one is more like a champagne gold. Definitely fun for New Year's or something. And this is giving me like Winter Wonderland vibes. Look how that is just gorgeous. And then I got these shards that's just great and fun. It's a rose gold, super cute. Oh my gosh. And I love how they give you a little candy. No sugar. So very pleased with that. And I haven't even opened these up, you guys. I've had this for a while waiting for all my nail stuff to come in, and I was just like, okay, I am ready to open things up. And I forgot all about Nail Sugar. So that's a really great store to check out. And it's from Great Britain. And everything was really, really cheap. I'll have everything linked down below too. Alright, so we're going to open this next one up. Which, I'm not sure who this is from neither. So, hey, we're going to just open it. And it'll tell us once we go inside. Alright, so these are from Beauty Big Bang. And I got some like chrome type of shard things going on. I'm not sure what that's called, but I do like their packaging. I'm going to open it so we can see what's inside. I can already tell this is a holographic color. Yeah, and this is just in number 60. But it's really, really pretty. I don't want to open it up yet because it does have a protective seal. But very, very pretty. I'm hoping I'm doing it justice. Very pretty hollow. And let's open this one. This one is number 2. And I like how it came with the little applicator so you can rub it in and get that chrome effect. Oh yeah, I'm gonna love this one. It is so purple and just really, really pretty. And let's open this next one. Oops. That side didn't rip for me, right? Having issues and I don't even have nails on today. I will soon though. Oh, look at this one. It's like a purple but like a blue at the same time. And it's not like a dark blue. It's like a light. I don't know if it's coming off on camera. Oh, it's so pretty. Alright. So we have another package. This obviously came from Amazon. So let's open this one up. I do get a lot of things from Amazon because it's Amazon Prime. And oh yeah, I remember these. Oh, drop one. Sorry, you guys. Let me grab that. I remember purchasing these. These are some glitters. Look, the bag was slitted on the side, but okay. And they're for like heart glitters that I can encapsulate and do some nice little Valentine's Day looks or just some fun looks because I love hearts, butterflies, flowers, and you know your girl loves pink and purple. But these ones are solid, pink holographic, and then these ones are purple and they're hollow. They're like cutouts. And then these ones, they look like they're the same, but they're not. This one is a little lighter and this one's a little darker. And then we got some red ones right here. So really cute. Can't wait to do some Valentine's Day looks with these. Alright. And so for my next bag, I'm not sure where this one came from neither. So we're going to open it up and we will be able to see. So I don't want to show my address. So open this up. Ooh, I got a lot of glitters, you guys. So I'm not sure who this is from. I'm gonna have to do some research and I'll get back to you guys on where I got this. But look at these glitters. Oh my god. These ones. Oh my god, look at all these snowflakes. I said leaves. Super cute. This one's like iridescent. Then we got the white. And then we got this purpley blue one. Oh my gosh, I am so ready to do some nice holiday and winter looks. Another iridescent. Oh, and this one is super clear, but it has like a tint of yellow. And this one is silver hollow graphic. So yes, these little snowflakes. I believe I got these off of Amazon, but they didn't come in an Amazon Prime bag. But I will double check and I'll have it linked below. And I got these little butterfly stickers right here. Super cute because I love butterflies. And I have some in like multicolors, but I did not have any like glitter ones. And so I really do like that these are glitter, silver, and gold. And then I got these little sets. Yeah, I can't remember who I purchased this from, but I will give you guys the links down below once I check all that out. But yes, I got these little, it was a set, and this one is more of a yellow, blue, green fun, and this one's like red, like 4th of July. Got some red and blue, silver sparkles, and this one is more of a silver and red, and this is a champagne rose, like a rose gold pink, sorry, not champagne, but that's more of a chunky glitter than a fine. And then these ones are all chunky, and we have a purple, a lavender type purple, a rose gold, and an actual champagne. So yes, I am so ready to do some nails. Alright, so next up is something that I did open because I wasn't sure where it came from. But this one is from Amazon, and it is the gel polish cover card. Sorry. And you just open it up and it comes with these little tips. And you can paint your gel polishes and kind of line them up and have numbers. I already have one of these and I ran out of room and I needed another one. So I just kind of wanted to stick with what I already had. And so I purchased this. It was $19 on Amazon. So, yep. We'll put that to the side. Okay, another item I got from Amazon but is already out of the packaging is this cute little pillow. It's a hand like a hand pillow for doing your nails, and like a little place card to keep your table all clean and stuff. I don't know what they call this, I'm sorry. But a folding portable nail art manicure tool, that's what it's called, and a pillow. So this one definitely folds, and you can fold it out. And you know your girl loves purple. And then you have your little pillow, so that way whoever's hands you're working on can rest right here, or if you're using like a mannequin hand or whatnot. Because I do plan on practicing more on other people, because I really do like doing nails, you guys. So yes, I'm glad that I'm sharing this journey with you guys. So I did pick that up from Amazon as well. And let me get my bag from Target, all the other items. So I did pick this glitter up from Target. Let me get that glitter out. And these ones I picked up from Target. They were like $3. And they're so pretty. I mean, I just have so many glitters now. I can do all kind of nails. And you can't beat this for $3. Like, it's a lot in here. I can use this for arts and crafts, nails, anything that I would like to do. So very, really pretty. And then these next glitters I got from Michaels. These ones were $7, but it was buy one, get one half off. And I really liked them because they had a whole bunch of different colors. So this one is all kind of like foil shards, big shards of glitter, kind of shredded glitter. And it looks like foil, and I loved all the little colors in here. So you have purple, pink, you have two blues that are the same, and then this teal green, it's like a bluish green, and then this rose gold, just beautiful. And then on this one, I love that it just had all the different shapes in here. So you have some orange cutout hearts. We have some holographic stars in like this teal color. We have some stars in different shapes and sizes, cutouts, heart, and solids in yellow. Then we have these holographic purple hearts, these green stars, these hollow jelly clear orange hearts. So very, very cute. Then I also picked these two glitters up from Michaels because it was buy one, get one free. And I believe these were like $3 and, you know, buy one, get one free. So I thought it was cute because I love this party shade. Just think that's so fun and so cute, and especially fun for summer. Do like some ocean and mermaid nails. And then I love this glitter because it's like triangles. It's just so cute and different, so I wanted to try those out, so I picked those up. And then another item that I got last but not least was from Amazon, and I did take it out the package because for some reason some of Amazon's packages has not been coming in their Amazon packaging, so I don't be knowing where it comes from. So I did get this. It is an it's called an accessory curve making model, but it's to hold your nail tips when you're making press-on nails. I like making press-on nails because I can change my nails very often. I can change them every week, and then say if I want to wear them again, I can pop them right back on. So yeah, it comes with the 5 little stands, and it's magnetic, and you just set it right on top of the diamond. Oops. It's magnetic, and you set it right on top of the diamond area so you can work and do your thing around there. I have one where it has all of them on one stand, but I thought this would be fun and more easier for me to use, especially when I start playing around with poly gels. So yeah, so that's everything that I got from my nail haul. Definitely glitter galore. So oh my gosh, just gorgeous. So I can't wait to play around and create some designs and try some new things, you guys. Like, seriously. Because this has been a fun journey for me, and I really do like it. And I like that you guys are enjoying my nail videos and going through this journey with me. So I got some really, really fun items. And I'll have everything linked down below so you guys can pick you guys up something that you may see here. And you know it is the holiday season, so I'm pretty sure they have a good sale going on. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.